Alright guys, what's up? This is going to be day one of the wide body build. Today I'm going to be mocking up the front fenders and putting them on. Some of the bolts heads had rusted off. What I did was order some new bolts directly from Subaru. Here they go. Either later on today or maybe later in the week, I'm gonna have a friend come over and help me get all these screws out, because right now they're just stuck in, but it's only one or two, so I should be able to get the fenders on and bolted up. So I'm just gonna start doing that right now. Alright guys, so I already took off half the side skirt. It's pretty dark over here, so I didn't think it'd be worth filming either way. I'll show you guys how to take it off on this side. It's not very hard. It was like 3 10mm bolts, pretty easy, standard. And then it just kind of slides off and the back half stays on. I'll mess with that later when I start working on the back of the car. But yeah, let's get these bolts off the front. New fenders, and this is the old one. As you can see, all the holes are already cut out. I sent an email to ABW and asked if they could do it. I just hope all the holes line up. There's a few they forgot. They didn't do this one, and on the other fender they didn't do that one. But it should still work out pretty well. I'll just drill the holes, no big deal. Alright guys, so I always wondered exactly how wide the kit was and how much further it was going to stick out now. So let me show you guys real quick so you guys can see exactly how wide it is now. Okay, so before my wheels stuck out maybe like 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, depending on where you saw it. But now, from the edge of the wheel, I don't know if you guys can see that. But it's like almost 3 inches now, so it's like 2.5. But you guys probably aren't gonna see that well. But it was about maybe like almost 3-inch difference. So they're pretty wide. Actually, I can get you a good angle right now. Versus this. If you didn't know, I have these over fenders. I believe they're like 40 mil or something. I don't remember the exact wideness these were, but yeah, I mean they weren't much wider than stock. Although now the wheel does tuck. As before, the same exact square setup. These definitely poked. And I hate that fitment, it looks so ugly to me. But yeah, we're making progress already. I only put a few of the bolts in because I do have to take them back out. I'm more concerned with trying to get this a little nicer. It's not bad though. But yeah, these things are fucking nuts. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on going and start the other side. If you guys don't know already, there's just 1, 2, 3, Yeah, there's just 3 screws holding it in, and I believe some like, yeah, plastic tabs on this already broke. You can see, yeah, they're already broken. So yeah, once you take those 3 out, you can pull this forward, and it'll separate from this because it's a 2-piece. So yeah, I'm just gonna take those off real quick. I have to make these holes just a little bit wider, just so I can wiggle it around and just fix some body lines. The door, I'm not sure exactly how big the gap is supposed to be, but this lines up really well. I just gotta get this pushed in. There's no screw down here yet, so it should be more like that, which isn't bad. Not bad. This one on the other hand has nothing holding it in, so it needs to be pushed in. Make this gap a little smaller, probably it's about right there. The headlight lined up with the holes. Yeah, it looks crazy so far, guys. Definitely gonna need wider wheels. So the front bumper does not have any holes drilled out yet, so I'm just gonna mock it up, put it on, and see how it all looks as a whole. And I'm pretty much done for the day. I didn't really do much. I just wanted to start it up, get a feel how everything was gonna be. So far, not so bad. The fitment's pretty good. I just need to drum out the holes a little bigger and then start drilling the holes for the front bumper. But yeah, this is day 1. When we start taking it back apart to wrap or paint, that's when we'll make sure everything is perfect and it's all lined up really well. Yeah. Alright guys, we put the bumper on. Man, it looks so good. Just gonna have this pulled up and it'll go like, sorry, we gotta pull this up so it lines up with that. This is gonna be a lot. It looks really good, and I'm really happy with how it's coming along so far. Can't wait to start doing more. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get some help when I start drilling the holes in the bumper, just because I want it to line up right, and I don't want the holes in the wrong spot and then I'm fucked because it's fiberglass and I can't drill more holes. So yeah, this is definitely where I'm stopping for today. We'll pick up again maybe tomorrow or the day after. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.